Hey, what's up guys? Package showed up from K-Tech. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Pretty excited about this one. Go. Comes with preload wrench. Feels good. Looks like a sticker. And an owner's manual. K-Tech Razor R Lite EVO. So this is the updated version of the Razor Lite. This one I believe has a 46mm body compared to the original I believe was 40mm. Don't quote me on that, but I know this one is bigger, and it has a 16mm damper rod. So all that is upgraded, better performance, possibly. Let's look inside. Oh, this is nice. Comes in a bag. One thing I do appreciate from companies is the little things, like centering the logo here. The bag's not offset or just thrown in here. I actually took time to put it in. I appreciate that. Let's look at the shock. This thing feels very substantial. The machining on this is very good. You know when you pick something up and you can just tell it's quality? That's what I feel with this. And look at all this preload adjustment. There's like 5 inches of preload adjustment. On the stock CRF you have about a ½ inch. The spring, way thicker than the stock spring. All your adjustment screws. Very nice. Can't wait to get it on. Alright, well I'm going to film a video installing it. So if you want to see that, be on the lookout. I'm going to leave the link for this in the description. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. But if you want to check it out, read up on the specs, I'll leave it in there for you. Alright, thanks for watching. Till next time.